Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sync Kindle and Audible. Start by enabling WhisperSync in your Amazon account settings and sign into the same account on both apps. Open your Kindle book and the matching Audible title, then tap to download the audiobook and allow automatic syncing. If syncing fails, force close apps, check Wi-Fi, and try reopening the book. This approach keeps your place across reading and listening with minimal fuss. To set up syncing, install Kindle and Audible on your phone or tablet, then sign into both with the same Amazon account. Go to Amazon Content and Devices and enable WhisperSync for books to allow progress transfer. Download the Kindle book and the matching Audible narration if available, and open the Kindle book first so the link is recognized. This sequence helps ensure the audiobook and ebook pair correctly and begins syncing your position. When syncing hiccups happen, start by updating both apps and confirming a stable internet connection. Force close Kindle and Audible, reopen them, and try reopening the paired book and audiobook. If that still fails, try deregistering and re-registering the device in Amazon settings or redownloading the titles. Clearing app cache can help on Android. These steps usually fix most sync errors so you can get back to reading and listening seamlessly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.